We start off with a square sheet that has been creased in 1/3. This means that this width is the same. And we start off by folding lower left to upper right, forming a diagonal fold. Then we just want to bring this corner to the intersection here. Turn over and repeat the same. Unfold this one. Now we want to focus on this part. This one will be where we do the pleating. So fold this up, unfold this, and bring this crease to the edge. Fold this corner to the top as well, and unfold everything. Now we want to bring this middle line to this line at the top, this middle line. And bring this one to this. And finally fold this small triangle. Now we want to unfold everything and start forming the pleat using the first crease here. And we just pleat all the way through. Repeat here. Fold this down first. Bring this to the top. And we want to fold this line to the edge. And bring this corner to the top. Unfold. Bring this middle line to the next line here. And bring this line to this edge. And finally fold this small triangle. Unfold everything and start doing the pleat using the first crease here. Now we have two sets, top and bottom. Now focus on this part. We just want to fold a diagonal fold like this. Repeat the same thing for the top. And now we want to unfold two parts here and bring this flap to the back like this. And we want to fold a diagonal fold along this line. And for this flap, just tuck it underneath here. And we want to repeat the same thing with this side. Unfold this too. Bring this to the back. And make a diagonal fold. Now we want to tuck this underneath. Turn it to the back. We want to fold this corner to this corner here. Turn over and repeat the same. And do a mountain fold along this line. And we have completed one unit. I'll be showing the assembly for 3 units here, but we will need a 30 units to complete a Kusudama. So just take this point, bring it to the pocket here, and the same, this point to the pocket, and this one back to this. Assemble just like regular sonobe, and you will have this